This is the Microsoft Surface pen. It's a pen stylus. It's more like a gray color. And I'm using this with a Surface Pro 7. So it has a clicker here, a button here. It's like an eraser. But with this, you can use this, when you configure with a Surface Pro, you can use this as a clicker to change slides on a PowerPoint presentation. Also, there's a right click mouse button here to right click on your Surface Pro. It's very sensitive. And this is made by Microsoft. It's a Microsoft product. So in order to configure this pen with your Surface, so you want to take your pen and click on the search. You want to go to settings. Click on settings. Click on devices. Now under Bluetooth and other devices, you want to click add Bluetooth or other device. Now under add device, you want to select Bluetooth. You want to hold down the eraser for a while. And as you see, a green light blinks. So it's going to show up here. And here it is, Surface Pen. So you want to click on Surface Pen and it's connected. Click on done. And it's here, mouse, keyboard and pen, Surface Pen connected. Now you can use this right click, mouse click. If I press here, it functions as a right click of a mouse, as you can see. And you can take the pen and just hold the icon and you can drag it around. I can do this with select two icons and move them around also. I have another video that demonstrates how to configure the eraser as a clicker for your PowerPoint presentation. So be sure to look at that. Now if I use the whiteboard on the Surface Pro, I just need to click on this icon, click on whiteboard, and yeah, this is such a great feature that you can use. It's a nice program that Microsoft has in their Windows 10 operating system, especially the Surface. So I can choose any color of the pen. That's black. I can write. And if I want to erase, I can click the eraser. and just erase. There are a lot of features here that you need to look at. There's a ruler, there's a highlighter. So you can use this in your presentations, Google Meet. You can use it in Zoom. Presenting is great for whatever work or type of work you do. That this is something that you can use. And the pen is a great device that you need with your Surface Pro, and I would recommend that you purchase one. I'll share a link below this video where you can purchase it. And I hope this video was helpful to you, and I thank you for watching.